Come here, puppies. Damn. Oh, I'm sorry, Audie.
Jenna.
Bentley. There's my Bentley, and there's my Audie. Oh, no, that's my Audie. This is my Mercedes girl. Look at Audie. Such a cute little Audie.
She just kissed you.
There's a good puppy.
Take him over there by Bella.
Come on, puppies. Hey. Oh, no. Good girl. Come on, good boy. Good puppy. Come here, Bella. Oh, where's your paw? Come here, puppy. Oh, there's my little
Why? Call Bella, John.
Huh?
Call Bella.
She's coming. Come here, Bella. Hi. Bella. Look at this, Bella. That's the puppy's soon-to-be best friend right there.
Yeah. Now which is which here? This is
Audie with the hot pink.
okay.
That's Bentley with the purple.
Oh.
And this is Mercedes with the black.
Ah.
Mercedes girl.
And Mercedes is going bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she doesn't know it, so say that quietly.
Okay. Hi, puppies. Oh, don't cut yourself on the top here. Hi. Hi, babies.
Mm.
Yeah. You're awfully
Oh,
cute.
found another one.
Yeah,
Oh, you did?
Awfully cute. Awfully cute. Just a second, Bella. Oh, yeah. See, it's sharp on there.
Come here, Mercedes.
Hi, Sandy.
Oh.
Where's Bella? She went.
Audie.
Get Bella in the movies. Bella.
Where's Bella? Bella, come here.
Bella.
Oh. Did you hurt yourself? Come here, Bella.
There she is.
She wants to play ball.
Oh.
Bella, come look
The
at
puppies are almost ready to play ball. They've started, but they don't quite get the concept of bringing it back. Look at that, pretty.
Bella, say hello.
Say hi, Bella.
She's like, throw me the ball.
Yeah, that's all she cares about.